สบายดีพี่น้อง Hello everybody. Today I gonna make some simmaping ปลาเนาะ seasoning the tilapia. The first thing I have some lemongrass and lime leaf, and I smash the lemongrass already. Then after that I gonna make I gonna put the lemongrass and lime leaf inside the tilapia like this. You know why? I want a little bit more flavor. That's why I just do like this. And not a lot of things put in here. I just lemongrass and I put a little bit salt inside. The salt all over the tilapia and the outside. Put a lot. And gonna flip over. Put on this side too. See a lot of salt. Okay. And after that, you know what I do? I'm gonna put the oil into the bowl here, and I'm gonna put the tilapia in here, and after that I'm gonna cover a little bit like this. Gonna put like 350. Okay, I'm gonna cook this in the oven, and after that I'm gonna make some beef salad. You know, beef salad, this one is larb dip. In second step, and I'm gonna make some, this is beef, I don't know how to call in English, but Lao they call ma pia na, you know. And this one, and I went to auntie's house a couple days ago. She gave me this. I told her I want to eat like gyao pia, you know, but she gave me this. And put all the ingredients together. That's all I'm gonna do. And the first thing I'm gonna cut some lime leaf. I make cut small and tiny, slide them, okay? And you wanna see closer? I'm gonna show you. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna slide the lime leaf. Okay, after that, galanka, slice very thin. I know for sure she add galanka already, but I wanna put more. This is fresh galanka. Okay. Cut small. Okay. If you have, you put. If you don't have to. But cilantro and onion, yes, have to, because I'm gonna kill the smell, you know. Okay, that's all the vegetable I'm gonna add to that. Chili. Have to cut like this, okay. If you like spicy, you add. You don't like spicy, you don't have to, but I add some. Okay, everybody, now I'm gonna mix all ingredients together. This is beef, okay? Beef อันนี้เสเพียแล้วนะ you know, and เพีย and เครื่องใน every single thing in here, and auntie gave this to me. And after that I'm gonna put all ingredient. This is larb. Lao they call is larb dip, okay? And แบบเนื้อมันนะแบบเข้ามาเพียแล้วมันหันนะ you know. The first thing I gonna add some little bit MSG, because ลาบนี่นะต้องให้มันมีแป้งนัวเนาะ อันเครื่องบวงหน่อยอันนี้ โอเค อันนี้เกลือเด้อ salt, MSG little bit and salt little bit, okay? And after that, fish sauce. I'm gonna add like half tablespoon. Okay, and this one chili powder, half tablespoon because I like spicy. And after that is the anchovy ปลาแดกน้ำปลาแดกได้เนี่ยใส่น้ำดิบรสโอเคอัน2 บวงน้อยนี่อัน2 teaspoon anchovy okay and mix some galangal fresh galangal okay and lime leaf slice this one less mix more herb is more flavor you know that looks scary and looks yummy at the same time but I cannot eat raw guys because in my life I never have anything raw in my life but today I get a taste but I gotta cook before I eat this จะแซ่บบ่ลาบดิบwhat they call out and in English they call beef ceviche I don't know how to call it rice powder if you do larb if you do like everything like larb you have to have this one like rice powder is to make more flavor everything you like if you don't have rice powder that means it's not larb okay oh my god look yummy and after that I add some hompe you know and cilantro and chili who like to eat raw stuff do some at home the lady out there and please make some for your husband okay and they're gonna like it this kind of stuff I know this one for the man but the ladies not really because for me I never have a raw like this you know well anyway different from the family right and my family don't eat like this then I can't not eat like this you know I can add a little bit more rice powder a little bit more chili because I like chili okay a little bit spicy is way better come check the fish with me okay yummy ready to not yet okay guys this one is the larb is ready already okay yummy I'm gonna make a plate now alright guys the beef salad is raw beef salad beef ceviche guys and larb they call larb sin dip no and it's done for today if you like to try some at home please do really easy really quickly and wow it's really good with sticky rice and homemade always the best try some at home and let me know how it turned out for you please follow Naly kitchen like and subscribe for me see you next video guys bye bye